Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you easily make a public profile on Snapchat. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store. Doesn't really matter, it works on both devices. Just make sure you have your Snapchat application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, quit the store. Now of course let's open Snapchat. Again, you have to be logged into your account. Then let's continue. Now we're on the main page, basically on Snapchat. We need to make our way to our profile by tapping the avatar in the top left corner. And here we are in our profile. Usually you should find an option to create a public account here under your profile once you scroll down a little bit. If you can't find it, maybe it has or Snapchat has automatically created a public profile. As you can see here, I already have one without creating it. Otherwise, you should find it here. Now, if you don't find it nowhere, you can tap right here in the top right corner to go to settings, and then let's look together for the privacy options right here. Here they are. Once you scroll down a little bit, you find under accounts services, you find privacy control. Under privacy control, you need to make everything here basically a little bit public or a little less private. So if it's set to friends here, set it to friends and contacts, etc. You get what I'm trying to say. If it's set to only me, set it to friends only, something like that. Just make sure every option here is a little less private than what it used to be before checking these settings right here. Let's go ahead one by one through all of them if possible. Basically, you can go through all the settings here and find out how can you make your profile less private. And then usually the create public profile should appear again on your profile right here, and you can create a public profile. Again, you have to be more than 18 years old or basically older than 18 to be able to create a public profile like this one here, where you can open it. Maybe share spotlights, share stories in it, share posts, whatever you want right here. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.